Hey guys, this is Joe Osmus here. I'm out at beautiful Lake Dillon, actually getting ready for a nice weekend with my wife. We're celebrating our 1-year anniversary. I wanted to go ahead and get this video series started about getting gigs for musicians. The first lesson that I wanted to teach you is to never underestimate the power of a face-to-face conversation. And I'm gonna give you a story with that. I played a show up here in Breckenridge a few weeks ago. I thought it went really well, and I got the contact person's email address and cell phone number, and I've been following up with them over the past few weeks to try to secure another gig, letting them know my available dates, all that. And I have not been able to make contact to a point where you can start to have that creeping self-doubt come in. Like, was that show really not that great? Are they not interested in booking me again and they just don't want to tell me, or are they just really busy? Well, I took it upon myself today to go into that club. The contact was there. I sat down with them. We set up 2 shows. And he apologized to me. He's just like, hey, it's been really crazy busy. It's like, oh, dude, I totally get it. Just was in the area. I thought I would pop in and just see if you were around and see if maybe we could get something on the books. So that would be lesson number 1. That is going to be your most powerful way to get gigs. Now, if you're trying to book out of state, not always possible. But if it's in your local area and market, start with a phone call, see who you need to talk to, maybe find out when they're going to be in, but make a point of being there in person. You want to have your links and everything ready if you've never played there before. Short of that, face-to-face conversation is going to be the best possible thing. So again, thank you so much for checking out the video, and if you'll subscribe to the channel, I'm going to be posting a lot more about this topic. Thank you guys. I'll check in with you soon.